ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. In this, we are seeing 1.4.10, which is the Mahavakya Prakarana. And in this, how a Manushya can understand I am Brahma, a question was raised. So it was said, all the Upadhi Janita Bhranti Vijnana Adhyaropita Vishesha Dharma, anything that is superimposed in Brahma has to be eliminated. Manushyoham, Purushoham, Kartaham, Bhoktaham, Pramataham, Indriya Dharmavan, Dehavan, whatever we think other than Brahma has to be eliminated. When this is understood, then only we can claim I am Brahma, not otherwise. So I am body also and Karta Bhokta also and I am Brahma. In Upadesha Sahasri, there is one shloka. Person who says I am Deha means I am Purusha and I am Brahma, he is a Ubhay Bhrashta. Neither he will do properly any karma upasana, nor he has understood Vedanta Jnana. So the person has to clearly know, when I say I am Brahma, means Manushoham, Purushoham, this is Badhita only. It is like there is Rajju also and Sarpa also. This is not possible. When I understand it is Rajju, means Sarpa is only Abhasa Matra. It is Traikalika Atyanta Abhav Pratiyogi. In all the 3 periods of time, there is no Sarpa. In other words, in all 3 periods of time, if I have understood I am not Manushya, then only I am Brahma. अपोह्य उपाधि जनित भ्रांति विज्ञान अध्यारोपितान विशेषान संसार धर्म अनागंधित. And sansara dharma, Brahma is something which does not even have a smell of samsara dharma. Sansara dharma anaganditam anantaram abahyam brahmaivaham asmi. Further, 278 now. Kevalam iti in Bhashya. Kevalam means Kevalam iti advitiyatvam uchyate. In Tika it is given. Kevalam means advitiyatvam. I am non-dual. Jnanam uktva phalam aha. Now what is the result of this jnanam? Bhashya. So avidya krita asarvatva nivritter brahma vijnanad idam sarvam bhavati. Avidya krita asarvatva nivritti. This is the phalam. What is the jnana phalam or kevalam? Advitiyatvam means avidyakrita asarvatva nivritti. I am asarva, a Brahma, its nivritti should happen. How? Brahma vijnana, idam sarvam bhavati. So through Brahma vijnana, I am all. This understanding should come. I am Brahma means I am all. I am Brahma, but I am not all. Then you know your own personal Brahma, that is different then. I am Brahma means I am all. Tika. यत्तु देवादीनां महावीर्यत्वात् ब्रह्म विद्यया मुक्तिः सिद्ध्यति न अस्मदादीनाम् अल्पवीर्यत्वात् इति तत्र आह। यत्तु देवादीनां महावीर्यत्वात् ब्रह्म विद्यया मुक्तिः सिद्ध्यति। Somebody says devatas, they are very capable. They can get Brahma Jnanam, they can get liberated. We will listen to Brahma Vidya, but there is no liberation. Asmadadinam na muktihi siddhyati. Kasmat? Kasmat? Alpaviryatvat. Alpaviryatvat. Brahma Vidyaya muktihi asmadadinam na siddhyati. Tatraha in Bhashya. नहीं महावीर्येषु वामदेवादिषु हीनवीर्येषु वा वार्तमानिकेषु मनुष्येषु ब्रह्मणो विशेषस् तद्विज्ञानस्य वा अस्ति। महावीर्येषु, how will you do samasa?
महान् चासो वीर्यश्च महान्तः चासो
So when you do bahurihi, this is bahurihi samasa. So we can do in ekvachanam first, then we do it in bahuvachanam. So mahat viryam yesham yesham te
महावीर्या
te mahaviryaha teshu mahavirya. So mahat viryam yesham. Anya pada is Vamadevadishu. Mahaviryeshu Vamadeva. So Vamadevadayaha, they are Mahaviryaha. Hinaviryeshu. How will we do Samasa Vigraha? Aap mat bolna. Somebody else.
हीनं वीर्यं यस्य सः हीनः ते येषां हीनवीर्याः येषु हीनवीर्येषु
Teshu Hinaviryaha. Hinam Viryam Yesham. Te Hinaviryaha. Teshu Hinaviryeshu. What is the Anya Padartha?
वार्तमानिकेषु
Manushyeshu. Vartimanikeshu is Visheshana for Manusyeshu. Hinaviryeshu Manusyeshu. Mahaviryeshu Vamadevadishu. In this way. So in Vamadevadi who are Mahavirya and Hinavirya like Manushya, Manusyeshu, Brahmano Visheshaha na. Bhashyakar says there is no Vishesha of Brahma, whether it is Vamadeva like or other Devatas or us who are Hinavirya. As far as Brahma is concerned, same. That's why Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sapas. Panditaha Samadasi. Because in all of them, Nirdosham he Samam Brahma. Brahma is same, Sama. So there is no Vishesha. Tad Vijnanasya va na Vishesha. And Brahma Jnanam also will be same. This is the greatness. What Bhagavan Vedvyasji understood as Brahma Jnanam, what you and I can understand as Brahma Jnanam, there is no Bheda. What our Acharyas have understood. That is why there is Parampara possible. If they had something and in disciples, if less Brahma Jnanam, then after few generations, Brahma Jnanam will be hardly anything, but it is not like that. Everybody will have same Brahma Jnanam. Other Jnanam will be different. Other Jnanam in the sense that their Jnanam of other Shastras, their Siddhis, to remember things or to analyze things could be different. This part of the Jnanam is same. For them also, Chandogya Upanishad is as much as what we have Chandogya mantra. They also have same Brahadaranyaka mantras as we have. He also, Bhagavan Vedvyasi had the same Upanishads. That's why his Brahma Sutra Rachana we can understand now, because he has not used any different things. Whatever mantras are discussed are known to us. So there is no Vishesha. Okay. Now somebody else has a doubt. He says, yes, but Shreyansi Bahu Vignani iti prasiddhim ashritya shankate. He says, yes, but when we do Shreyas Karya, Bahu Vignani, in Bahu Vignani, how there will be Samasa Vigraha? Bahavaha Vignani Yasmin Shreyansi. Shreyansi the Anyapada. Bahava Vignani Yasham. Bahava Vignani Yasya.
Bahuni Vignani not possible, Swami.
Bahava.
Okay.
Bahava Vignani is possible. जिसमें बहुत विघ्न होते हैं ऐसे श्रेय. Yasmin also. So Purva Pakshi says there are many vignas in this Brahma Jnanam. Vartamanikeshu Purusheshu Bhashya. Vartamanikeshu Purusheshu tu Brahma Vidya Phale Anaikantikata Shankyate iti ata aha. Vartamanikeshu Purusheshu. In the Vartaman Purushas, means in people who are there now, like us, Brahma Vidya Phale, in Brahma Vidya Phalam, Anaikantikata Shankyate. Anaikantikata means?
Vyabhichara.
Vyabhichara. Anaikantika dosha is Vyabhichara. What is Vyabhichara?
Sadhya bhava.
Hetu is there, Sadhya is not there.
Paksha Vrittitve Sati Sadhya Bhava.
Paksha Vrittitve Sati Sadhya. So in Paksha, Hetu is there, but Sadhya is not there. This is called Anaikantikatvam. So here, what is the Hetu and what is the Sadhya? Brahma Vidya Phale Anaikantikata. So Brahma Jnanam is there. Brahma Jnana Phalam is not there. Siddhanti said, if you have Jnanam, you will have Phalam. You will have the result. Why? Pashyan Pratipede. Pashyan Pratipede. So, but here, in our case, Hetu is there, Brahma Jnanam is there, but Phalam is not there. Drashtanta, he says, look at us. We have knowledge. Means we can tell that we have knowledge, but we are running around without any tripti. Anaikantikatvam is there. Sankyate iti ataha. Tika. Shankotaratvena uttar vakyam adaya vyakaroti. Ata aha. Ata aha is this uttar vakyam tasyaha brahmavid. vidya, that vakya. यथोक इन भाष्य तस्यः ब्रह्म विज्ञातुर यथोक्तेन विधिना देवा महावीर्याश्च महावीर्याः चन अपि भूत अभूत्या अभवनाय ब्रह्म सर्वभावस्य नेशते न पर्याप्ताः किमुतान्ये. तस्यः ब्रह्म विज्ञातुः, for this knower of Brahma Jnanam, Brahma Vijnatuhu, Yathoktena Vidina, if that person knows Brahma in the way it is taught, Yathoktena Vidina, Brahma Vijnatuhu, Devaha Mahaviryaha, Devatas Mahaviryaha, with great Samarthya, etc. Chana, Chana means api. Like how say Kechana, so that Chana is there. Chana means api. Abhutya, Abhutya means Abhutyai. Actually, this Shabda is Abhutyai. Abhutyai means Abhavanaya. Brahma Sarvabhavasya. Brahma Sarvabhavasya Abhutyai na ishate. Devaha api na ishate. Even devatas are not capable of stopping such person who is seeking Brahma Jnanam, Brahma Vidya. Devatas also cannot stop. Abhavanaya Brahma Sarva Bhavasya na ishate na paryaptaha. Kimuta anye. Then if devatas cannot prevent this person from attaining Jnanam, then what to talk of? Other. Means nobody else can stop. So what is what is said here is this. Once Brahma Jnanam is there, nobody can stop this person from attaining moksha. To attain Brahma Jnanam, Vignas can come. That prakarana is the next paragraph. So Brahma Vijnatuhu, what is given here is Brahma Vijnatuhu yathoktena vidina devaha api sarva bhavasya Brahma sarva bhavasya abhutyai na ishate. Means even devatas cannot stop, are not, na ishate means na paryapta. Devatas are not capable or not powerful enough to stop and make him without vibhuti. Means he will get his vibhuti for sure. किमुता अन्य सी टीका यथोक्तेन अन्वयादिना प्रकारेण ब्रह्म विज्ञातुः इति संबंधः अपि शब्दार्थं कथयति किमुत. महावीर्याश्चन अपि, so that api शब्दार्थ is this किमुत. अल्पवीर्याः तत्र विघ्नकरणे पर्याप्ताः न इति किमुत वाच्यम् इति योजना. Those who are alpaviryaha, less powerful, how can they create vigna? Now a question is raised. अप्राप्त प्रतिषेध अयोगम अभिप्रेत्य चोदयति. अप्राप्त प्रतिषेध अयोगम. अप्राप्त प्रतिषेध अयोगम. Whatever is prapta, you can do its pratishedha. What is aprapta, what is not available, its pratishedha is not appropriate. And therefore, aprapta pratishedha ayogam. Here, iti abhipretya chodayati. Purvapakshi is raising a shanka. ब्रह्म विद्या फल प्राप्तौ विघ्न करणे देवादय ईशते इति का शंका इति। देवादयः देवतास in Brahma Vidya Phala Prapti. So you say somebody can get Jnanam, but the knowledge, result of the knowledge is not seen. In that there is Vigna. Brahma Vidya Phala Praptau Vigna Karane Devadaya Ishate. Iti Kashanka. 6 number Tippani. Kashanketi. Vidya Phala Praptau Devata Vignam Kurvanti. Iti Ayukta Shanka. कारणाभावात् अतो अप्राप्त प्रतिषेधः श्रुत्या क्रियते इत्यर्थः। In Brahma Vidya Phala Prapti, devatas are creating vigna, means obstacle. Iti ayukta shanka. This shanka is not appropriate. Why? Karana abhavat. Because there is no hetu, there is no karanam, cause. Ataha aprapta pratishedha. Therefore, this pratishedha, that devatas will create vigna, this is aprapta pratishedha shrutya kriyate. Shruti is doing this. Ka shanka. Why there is shanka? That devatadaya vigna karane ishate. Why this doubt is there? So, a new prakaranam is there. How? Shanka nimitta is shown here. Shanka nimittam darshayan uttaram aha. Why someone may have shanka? So there are smriti vakyas which are quoted, but also we should understand everybody who starts journey on this path of Vedanta does not complete the journey. Some people, they only do these sankalpas that now I will study, now I will study, now I will study. There was one brahmachari, he was staying outside. So many times, now I will study, now I will become sincere, now I will become sincere. He had to, if you don't do, or if there is some vigna, you will never become sincere in your studies. Finally, he had to go. So vigna is there. Then somebody else is there. They are starting, but they may have some vigna and they will have to leave it halfway, or mind is so extroverted, part is going on, class is there, book is there, mind goes all over. And then after some time, a mind comes, then you attend some, then again it goes. So this is also vigna. So here it will be said, these are because you have not fulfilled some of your other responsibilities. So devatas are creating vigna. In this way, it is presented. For some people, if they do Shravanam, some vigna comes, they have to go and attend to some other duty, Shravanam is gone. Many times it happens. Some nimitta, something will be nimitta. Actually, that person is not responsible. My papa karma comes in between and I have to stop. So like this, some vignas are there. So that Shanka Nimittam is given now. In Bhashya, Uchyate. Devadin Prati Rinavatvan Martyanam. Because Martya, Manushas, they have Rina towards Devatas. Oblations you have to make, you have to do whatever offerings. So if you don't do, then Devatas will stop you. That's why when we take formal sannyasa, then at that time we also offer everything to Devatas, whatever is required, and pray that please don't create any vigna hereafter. Because now I have taken this. Devatas will have most, in tradition, Devatas will have most objection when somebody says, I am taking karma sannyasa. Because when they were performing karmas, they were offering ahutis to devatas in the tradition. Now, anyway, nobody offers. They will say earlier, now what sannyasa? You were useless for me. So they will say, I don't care. Or they'll say, it doesn't matter, even if you go there, if here you are of no use, there also you will be of no use. I don't know. But those who are, so Devadin Prati Rinavatvat, Martya have a Rina. What are they? That is given. See in Tika first. Adhamaran iva uttamarana Devadayo Martyan Prati Vignam Kurvanti iti Shesha. Adhamarinan के कान मर्त्यान अधमरणान मर्त्यान प्रति उत्तमरणाः देवादयः विघ्नं कुर्वन्ति. It is like Drishtanta is given, somebody has taken money, loan or something from another person, and now he is not able to pay in that time duration after a month or something. We say, this fellow's house is here. If I go from this road, he will look at me, then he will stop, then he'll ask for money. So every time he has to go, he will take some different road. And this Uttam Rena person, he will create Vigna. He will stand there every day. Paise kahan hai? Where is the money? So how this Drishtanta is given in Kathopanishad Bhashya? Yamacharya tells Nachiketa, don't press me like how Uttam Rena person presses Adhamarana person. Like that, don't ask for this Brahma Vidya. Ask some other boon. He said, no, you have committed 3 boons. So, Devadayaha Martyan Prati Vignam Kurvanti iti Shesha. Katham Devadin Prati Martyanam Rinitvam. Tatra. How do you say towards Devatas, Martya have Rina? So, there is a Smriti given in Bhashya. Brahmacharyena Rishibhyo Yajnena Devebhyaha Prajaya Pitrubhyaha Iti hi Jayamanam Iva Jayamanam Iva Ranavantam Purusham Darshayati Shruti. Jayamanam Eva Ranavantam. Jayamanam. When that Purusha is born, he is born with 3 debts. Rishi Rina, Deva Rina, Pitru Rina. Rishi Rina will go through Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya means Gurukula Vasa Vedadhyanam. One has to do. Then Rishi Rina will be over. Deva Rina will go when he does Yajna Yagadi. Pitru Rina will go when he produces Prajaya. When a person takes sannyasa, he is not going to do any of these now. He is not going to do Veda Dhyanam anymore. He is not going to do Yajnadi. He will not have Praja. So, Jayamanam eva ranavantam purusham. Shruti says, Shruti this is, not Smriti. Shruti is given. Quotation is given in 9 number Tippani. Evaranavantam. Like Adhamarana, how Adhamaranan, Eva, Uttamaranan, Uttamarana, how it is there, it was in Tika. Like that here also. Purusham Darshati Shruti, Tika. So this Vigna is there. And Manushya, how they are treated? See in Tika. Yatha Pashurevam Sadevanam iti Manushyanam पशु सादृश्य श्रवणाच्च, दिस इज आल्सो देयर, तेषां पारतंत्र्यात् देवादयस्तान् प्रति विघ्नं कुर्वन्ति इति आह. Devatas, they create vigna towards these manushas, because manushas are like pashu. Pashu means for a manushya, how pashu is. More pashus means greater position. There's so many cattle he has. Like that, Devata says, so many people are offering me, every oblation will strengthen that Devata, his position. And see, Pashu is there one lifetime. Manushya, every time he is that Jiva, every time he is in Manushya Sharira, he will have to do this to Devata. So not only one lifetime, repeatedly he can be available for offering. When he says, I will renounce everything. So now Devata's one person is gone. So then Devatas are not happy. But we should understand this way. Devatas creating Vigna is only our Papa Karma coming through some Nimitta. Because we say, right, Adi Daivika, Adi Bhautika, Adhyatmika Tapa. So this is Adi Daivika Tapa, that some unknown thing keeps coming as Vigna. So if I have enough Chitta Shuddhi and Ishwar Kripa, Guru Kripa, then Adhyanam will happen. Guru Kripa is also very important. If that is there, even with some or the other Vigna, Adhyanam will not stop. Adhyanam will keep happening. So that is the important thing. Vignas people will get. Sharira is there to give some or the other difficulties, situations, paristhithis will be non-conducive. But to stay focused on Shravanam uncompromisingly, you need some kripa. Somebody is there to ask why you are not studying, what have you studied, etc. Otherwise, somebody was telling me, Swamiji, in that ashram, nobody cares whether you study or not. In some ashram, they were talking. So it is true, you come, you don't come, you attend, it's okay. So then, you are not answerable to anybody. So then you will say, ho raha hai. That is not right. Somebody has to be there. यथा पशुरेवं स देवानाम इति मनुष्याणां पशु सादृश्य श्रवणाच तेषां पारतंत्र्यात् तेषां मनुष्याणां पारतंत्र्यात् देवादयस् तान् प्रति विघ्नं कुर्वन्ति इति इत्याह. पशु निदर्शनाच्च अथोयं वा इत्यादि लोकश्रुतेश्च आत्मनो वृत्ति परिपिपालयिषया अधर्मणा अधमरणान् इव देवाः परतंत्रान् मनुष्यान् प्रति अमृतत्व प्राप्तिं प्रति विघ्नं कुर्युः इति न्यायेव एषा शंका. This shanka is justified by that person who is asking, because there are all these quotations and we see it in life that some vigna keeps coming. Pashu nidarshanacha, and he is also referred as Pashu. Manushya is Pashu for Devatas. Atho ayam va ityadi loka shrutescha. Such shruti is also there. Atmano vritti paripipaleshaya. Atmanah, this Devata, vritti paripipaleshaya. Vritti means sthiti, jivika. Adharma अधमरणान इव देवाः परतंत्रान मनुष्यान प्रति अमृतत्व प्राप्तिम प्रति विघ्नं कुर्युः. So for this Manushya who says, I want to attain Brahmatva, I want to attain immortality. Devatas will say, have you done all your offerings and all? No, say don't go. Don't study Vedanta. And many people, they are already like half-hearted that I don't know whether I should study Vedanta. So the moment somebody says don't study Vedanta, very good. And this sannyasa, many people, they say, that I also wanted sannyasa when I was young. Somebody told me that I ran away from the house. Some river, that person went, and then somebody went and saw that person, they brought her, etc., etc. So what happens is, some jignasa is there is no doubt. But maybe some vigna is there, that punya is not as powerful. So it is given, Manushyan prati amrudatva praptim prati vignam kuryuhu. So some vigna is created. Therefore, this shanka is nyaya. Tika. Athoyam va atma sarvesham bhutanam lokaha. This is the quotation where in the Bhashya it is given athoyam va, that much. Ityadi, lokashruti. So it is given here. Athoyam va atma sarvesham bhutanam lokaha. Atma means jivatma. Lokaha means bhogya. This jivatma is bhogya of all. So if this jivatma says, I want to become one with Brahma, so then how will others enjoy? They say, no, don't go for Vedanta. Laukika Drashtanta we understand, if somebody is there in the house, he says, I want to leave everything and go for sannyasa. We'll say, well, what about us? You have to work, earn money and feed us. So you will take sannyasa, then what will happen to us? So you don't take sannyasa. This means you are bhogya padartha for them. They want to derive support from you for their laukika things. And if you take sannyasa, how will they support themselves? So you don't go. So like that, many people are prevented from this path. And some are prevented knowing their family knows you are useless here. What will you do there? So sometimes, people think, what is there to do in ashram? Just sit there, because they see some sadhus. I am telling you, by mistake, if you come to Kailash, from morning till evening, you will have to study. Forget about any retirement plans. So some ashrams, people think they are only for retirement. They are not like that. So jiva is a bhogya. Iti cha tesham sarva prani bhogyatva shrutescha sarve tad vigna kara bhavanti. All of them, sarva prani will create vigna. Somebody will say, first you make arrangement for my living. Then if you want to go, that like Yagnavalkya's one wife, Katyayani, she said, my share is there or not? Yeah, there you go. She didn't ask a single question. He said, I want to go. She's like, okay, go. Half property is there with me. Goshala, Yagnashala, this shala, this. She's happy. The other one, she said, no, I want that Brahma Vidya. After that, he left. She couldn't stop because she knew that he's going for the right thing. So she allowed. But, so, somebody may not have vigna as long as they have fulfilled other things. Atho iti lokashruti abhipretam artham prakatayati atmanaha. Atmanaha vritti paripipala ishaya. Yatha अधमऋणान् प्रति उत्तमऋणाः विघ्नम् आचरन्ति तथा देवादयः स्वस्थिति परिरक्षणार्थं परतन्त्रान् कर्मिणः प्रति अमृतत्व प्राप्तिम् उद्दिश्य विघ्नं कुर्वन्ति इति तेषां तान् प्रति विघ्नकर्तृत्व शंका सावकाशा एव इत्यर्थः. So the same vakya is given, like those who have adham rana means those who have taken the loan or debt, and uttam rana means those who have given. So they will always come and stand in between. Like that, these devata swasthiti parirakshanaartham, for protecting their sthiti towards the karmi manushyas who are paratantra. When they say we want amritatva, they will create vigna. Tesham tan prati vigna kartritva shanka savakasha eva. This vigna shanka is appropriate. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.